Hi guys, Pranwish here. I'm Rickard, back with another review. And we have the 100th anniversary bottling from the Spot series, the Green Spot 10-year-old. And they celebrated this last year, 2025, but I couldn't get my hands on this one until now. So it's bottled at 46% ABV, unshipped filter, not a color. And you know me, I love my Spot whiskies. It's from the Middleton Distillery. And it's about €85, and ex-bourbon barrels and ex-sherry cask, a mixture. So let's try this and see what we can find. You have some, the first thing that comes to is a little bit floral actually. Yeah, and some honey, some apples, some pears, very fresh. Yeah, floral, honey, apple, and pears, I would say on the nose. That's right, on the palate. Yeah, great stuff once again from Middleton. This is, yeah, this is great stuff, I would say. One more sip. Not so floral now on the palate, but the honey's there, some toffee notes, apple, pears, vanilla. Yeah, little bit pepperiness as well. Yeah, a little pepperiness or bitterness, some oak bitterness in the aftertaste. I would say the 12-year-old is a little bit better, and nearly the same price. So I think it's in around 85-90 euro. The yellow one, I think I have it here somewhere. Yeah, I have the red one, is my favorite, and the yellow one is also very good. So the yellow is a little bit better, I would say, than this one, and at the same price. So but still a good ram, of course. Should give it a score as well. Ooh, what should we score this? I think it's maybe an 87 on the 100 scale. Yeah, 87 points for Green Spot, 100th anniversary, 10-year-old. So till next time, cheers.